Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear student. Today we will solve the new syllabus Mathematics D2, chapter number 2, Expansion and Factorization of Quadratic Expressions. Today we will solve the Practise no on page number 42, 43 and 45. First of all, we will solve the plastic no on page number 42. In page number 42, given that simplify each of the following expression by using the algebra disc. Now we will solve the simple method in first part minus 4x square plus 2x square. Here large term have negative sign, so we can use the negative sign and subtract 2 from minus 4. Then minus 4 plus 2 answer is minus 2, and also x square is a variable. So we will edit the both term, then final answer of A part is minus 2x square. Similarly, in B part, minus 4x square plus into minus 2x square. First of all, opening the bracket, plus multiply by minus, plus minus minus. So we have minus 4x square minus 2x square. Both terms have negative sign, so we can apply the negative sign and edit the both terms. 4 plus 2 is 6. So answer of B part is minus 6x square. Similarly, in C part, 4x square minus 2x square. 4x square minus 2x square is equal to 2x square. Now in D part, 4x square minus into minus 2x square. Here minus multiply by minus, minus minus plus. So we have 4x square plus 2x square. 4x square plus 2x square is equal to 6x square. In E part, 2x square minus 3 minus x square plus 1. First of all, rearrange with respect to variable. Then we have 2x square minus x square minus 3 plus 1. When 2x square minus x square is equal to 1x square and minus 3 plus 1 answer is minus 2. So the answer of E part x square minus 2. Now in next part 5x square plus into minus x plus 2 minus into minus 2x square minus 3x minus 4. First of all, opening the both brackets, then we have 5x square plus minus minus x plus 2 minus minus plus 2x square minus 3x minus 4. Now rearrange with respect to its variable. Then 5x square plus 2x square minus x minus 3x plus 2 minus 4. Here 5x square plus 2x square is equal to 7x square, and minus 1 and minus 3 minus 4, so minus 4x. 4 plus 2 is minus 2, so the final answer of F part 7x square minus 4x minus 2. In plastic note 2 on page number 43, simplify each of the following expression by using the algebra disc. Now in first part, minus into 2x square plus x minus 1. So minus multiply by each term, change the sign of each term. Then is equal to minus 2x square minus x minus 1. Similarly, in B part, minus into minus 2x square minus x plus 1 minus minus plus, so plus 2x square minus minus plus x and plus minus minus, so minus 1. Then answer of B part 2x square plus x minus 1. Similarly, in C part, x square plus 2x plus 1 minus into 3x square plus 5x minus 2. First of all, minus sign multiply by each term, then change the sign of each number. Then x square plus 2x plus 1 minus 3x minus 5x plus 2. Now rearrange the values, then we have x square minus 3x square plus 2x minus 5x plus 1 plus 2 minus 3x plus 1x square. So answer is minus 2x square plus 2x minus 5x. So large term have negative, then minus 3x. 1 plus 2 is answer is 3. Then final answer of C part minus 2x square minus 3x plus 3. Similarly in D part, now negative into minus x square minus 4 plus 2x square minus 7x plus 3. First of all, opening the bracket, minus minus plus plus x square plus 4 plus 2x square minus 7x plus 3. Now rearrange the values, then we have x square plus 2x square minus 7x plus 4 plus 3. Now 2 plus 1, then answer is 3. Then answer of D part 3x square minus 7x plus 7. Now in plastic no, page number 45, expand and simplify each of the following expression by using the algebra disc. First of all, in A part, 2 into minus 2x square plus x minus 1. First of all, 2 multiply by each term, then minus 4x square plus 2x minus 2. Now in B part, 3 into x square minus 2x plus 3. 3 is multiplied by each term. 3 ones are 3x square minus 3 twos are 6x plus 3 threes are 9. So answer of B part 3x square minus 6x plus 9. Similarly in C part, given that 4x square plus into minus 3x plus into minus 1 plus 3 into x square minus 4. First of all, opening the brackets, then 4x square plus minus minus 3x plus minus minus 1 and plus 3 ones are 3x square minus 3 fours are 12. Now rearrange the value with respect to variable. 4x square plus 3x square minus 3x minus 1 minus 12. Then 4x square plus 3x square is 7x square minus 3x minus 13. Similarly, in D part, 2 into x square plus 4x minus 5 minus into 6 plus x square. First of all, 2 multiply by each term, then 2x square plus 8x minus 10. Minus multiply by each term, change the sign, so minus 6x minus x square. Rearrange the values, then 2x square minus x square plus 8x minus 10 minus 6. 2x square minus x square, answer is x square. X square plus 8x minus 16. Now in next video with next practice now. Best of luck. Take care.